niggas move weight every day. Hey, I'm talking about everybody want money in the bank, bank. I'm talking about
my mind in the race, my time really odd in a way. It's hard, so I gotta get away. I'm tired of my hourly wage, bullshit job every day. Shit, I gotta get away. So I look up to God and I pray. I try to survive in the day, so I gotta get away. I'm the one they despise and they hate. I try cause I'm tired of mistakes. I gotta get away, away, away.
Bar Wars, make some motherfucking noise! www.barwarsrapbattles.com. Make sure you check that out. We're still putting some more battles up, all that. Facebook.com/Bar Wars Rap Battles. Got a bunch of guests. I got a little order I'm gonna get through. First of all, got the mayor of Michigan Battle Rap in here, man. Donald, man. This man's been putting mad work for Michigan Battle Rap. Make some fucking noise, man.
Shout out to my nigga Eskimo, Alpha League 313, Bar Wars in the fucking building. Let's get
For
it,
sure. Making his first trip out here. Got the Don himself, man. You already know, man. Hey. And last but certainly not least, man, this guy's been really trying to put on MBR, man. Make some fucking noise for Golden TK, man. Get up.
Shout out to Alpha League, everybody out here, glad to be back.
Hell yeah.
City out there.
All right, we got Flint versus FC tonight. All right, rapper to my right. Introduce yourself, bro.
Joey Koff, representing Flint, Michigan. Make sure y'all follow me on MySpace and AOL Instant Messenger.
Rapper to my left, man. Make some noise for Teddy MC, man. What's up?
Teddy MC, Rob Squad, Boss Better League, of course, he wave all day. Let's go. Get that motherfucker.
You know, flip the coin. You want to start off? All right.
Hold it down!
Hello, Theodore. You mind if I call you Theodore? I mean, I figure since we got some business to handle, I'd address you in a more formal manner. Now let me begin with a recommendation. Stop calling yourself an MC. You're a horrible rapper. Now these punches gonna hit you like Foreman or Hagler and leave you with a broken nose and an orbital fracture. Yeah. But I can't believe that's how I'm solving this matter, because when a bitch is in my face, I just normally slap her. But I'm gonna whip your fairy tale, put an end to your chapter, and when I'm done, I need somebody in Joe Nye or Born stature. Because I'm bored with these amateur rappers on war backwards, and I'm sick of wasting bars on these piss poor battles. Your joke's corny, they roar, but it's forced laughter. Man, I chew them like a bite that I need to absorb faster. I'm not a man, I'm an immortal that transferred through a portal to slander and slam this dork faster than a whore facing the floor who's about to be sore after she gets her back door hammered by a porn actor. I'm leaving Theodore battered with his jaw shattered. Fuck around with Koff, you'll be a corpse in the morgue after. You want to stop the force of these metaphors, you would need swords, daggers, Thor's hammer, and the Lord's rapture. I feel like Jordan did after he hit the shot in game 6, so important a factor, but we don't gotta shake hands before this or after, because I heard you like to touch dicks more than a catheter. Now this is the perfect time to go to the bathroom, get a drink, or go out back and blow in a sack, because he about to rap and tell us all that he's battered, but we ain't buying what he's selling, because quality matters. Hey yo, you ain't the best like me, you never put an MC to his death like me. This faggot knew the only way to be fresh like me was to show up to the fucking battle dressed like me.
Let's go, man. Make some noise for Joey Koff, man. What's up? Make some noise. Let's go.
Hey yo, you said I dress like you? You know how this motherfucker ain't about shit? This nigga follow me on Snapchat. Copy my whole outfit. Down to the Adidas. You know what rhymes with Joey Koff? You know what rhymes with Joey Cough? It's a dumb fucking rap name. It's a damn shame. If you so white trash, you probably call your front porch a man cave.
Yo.
This next bar is something that I really can't say. Look like a walking, talking, fucking jar of mayonnaise. Joey Cough. That name is gay as fuck. You need to change it up. The name's so gay, I bet your two favorite things are fucking AIDS and hugs. He got that slow face. When he was born, his mom was smoking angel dust. She stuck her stash in his crib. He was literally raised on drugs. You the type to come home the first night, slide out of bed afraid to wake up, cook her breakfast in the morning, let the bitch stay for lunch, let her stay another night. What else? Fuck around and pay for brunch. She ain't eat about a house and home. He's sitting there like, man, I can't wait to fuck. Man, this gonna be an easy session. Why y'all think he a legend? I don't find Joey C impressive. I'm gonna do his ass greasy, brethren. Looking like a fucking dad of 16 and pregnant. I bet he never even seen a weapon. Bitch, you softer than a dance move of a JC impression. You design your life away on that. You design your life away on that old jotted line, cause I know how to rap. You just know how to rhyme, bitch. I'm a way bigger deal than you. I got 300 more likes on my Facebook fan page. Plus, I got 178 more downloads on my Dat Piff mixtape. Facts.
Shout out Dat Piff.
And Twitter? Don't even get me started on Twitter. I will shoot you under the fucking table, buddy. You hear me? Yeah. But all jokes aside, you ain't close to my level of skill. So cross your heart and hope to die. Cause if you make it out alive, you'll be broke inside. His boys will be like, where you going? Just home to cry. But bro, why? Ain't no reason to mope and whine. If I was you, I'd just be happy not to choke this time. I'm gonna shut your bars down like closing time in a devastating fashion with clothing lines. Like if I pull out that Tommy, he'll figure it's fake. But they'll call his eyes odd when I disfigure his face. See, I got crooks and castles, my criminal's straight. Now watch the king stampede on this original fake. Bitch, I'm from the north, face these bars you come up missing. I heard you got a studio. Who the fuck would give this bum equipment? But let me guess, I know why you in your feelings, man. Your girl loves my wood, so her gap is where my timber lands. Creative. I bet when you say the N-word, black people get offended. Hey, and you know they'll never believe you're black, so you gotta be like, it's cool guys, I'm Mexican. But I ain't hating on you extra light people. I mean, at least you fit in perfect with Team Awkward white people. Hey, yo, but I ain't fucking with your gay old clique, so fuck you and your Facebook rainbow pig. And although you already on the ground with the shit, Teddy and C got a whole nother round of the shit. Yikes! Bitch, you look like Chewbacca with alopecia. You look like Brock Lesnar if he had a seizure.
Say it again.
You look like you and all your boys got the same baby mama and each one of you thought you had to keep her. You look like every white boy in the 90s that had a beeper trying to slang some reefer. Imagine trying to compliment first time. Get him on the phone before you meet him. Like, are you black or not? You fuck around and see him. Like, nigga, are you fat or tall? You'll hear him spit a verse. Like, nigga, did you just rap or talk? See his goofy ass on the hoop board? Nigga standing there like, pass the ball.
everybody in high school. Nigga never hit a shot back then. Hold on. Nigga never hit a shot back then. And you from Flint? I bet you playing sports is the only reason that you got black friends. You that slow kid at practice, always working on something simple. You know, fundamentals. Drool coming out both sides of his mouth like, sorry coach, I double dribbled.
Oh snap! You got to dribble. You got to dribble. Don't double.
He ain't make the team. Went and talked to coach, but he was nervous to ask him. Like, yo, can I join the squad off affirmative action? Yo, I'm making jokes around theaters where a murder is happening. His wig like a hit record because I'm turning it backwards. You can sign your life away on that old dotted line because I know how to rap, you just know how to rhyme.
Yeah. Make some noise, society, man. Let's go.
Make some noise for those jokes. It's going to me. I feel like this fucking skinny ass Sinbad shit. You got the skin tone of Red Fox and a Cookie Monster voice box. Your mom's an unemployed thought with a destroyed twat. Your rap career I'll boycott. I heard your boycott, you sticking some dude in the ass like a roid shot. Oh. Hey, I can't believe someone adopted this boy. But I blame his real mom, she should have swallowed this boy. He getting stacks, my ratchet bitch robbing this boy and she'll duct tape money like Rihanna and Floyd. See, I don't really know Teddy at all, so fuck the personals. I gotta kill Teddy with bars. Beat his ass black and blue. He's like, wait, hold up, pause. You said beat my ass black. Can you do that, dog? I'm like, Teddy, it's a figure of speech. You little bleach-skinned freak, you just timid and weak. Heavy on the battle scene, but you a bitch in the street. Screaming boss battle league, but you working for free. You just a pale-faced nerd, broken, cheap, a joke and geek. Keep trying, but you won't compete. Cause you prepared 2 months, brought your dopest schemes, and still lost to some shit that I just wrote this week. See, I'm an actor cause I'm shooting, then I'm fleeing the scene. I'm a dog, you ain't nothing but a flea on the scene. Y'all probably think I got this hat cause I'm repping the league. But it's because I'm here to K-O-T in the D. Man, I'll hit you like a sawed-off gauge. The only battle that you won was when the other rapper walked off stage. And even that was debatable. Hey, yo. See, you ain't spitting no fire, bro. Your flow sucks. So when you repping Heatwave, it sounds like a cold front. Your ancestry, you don't know at all. You're just a white bitch pretending to be black Rachel Dolezal. Your shit's trash. Ain't no reason to produce a record. And fuck B-dubs. I like the wings at Hooters better. Hey yo, this whole battle, I know I didn't lose a round. You must be on smack thinking you'll ever reach the proving grounds. I'll put that Ruger to his crown, bullet shoot him down. Everybody running cause the booming sounds super loud. Teddy thought he had his life together, he gon' lose it now. Every bullet chewing through him, ooh, the blood is spewing out. Now he on the ground, no one's around. I'm talking to him now like, Teddy, that's the way you MC. See how I move the crowd?
Let's go, man. Make some noise for Joey Cobb, man. What's up? Come on. All right, yo.
I said, yo.
Yeah, you seen him last time.
Honestly, I wasn't inspired to write a third for you. Sean set you up just so I could come and murder you. Bet you probably can't play basketball and ain't got no vertical. How I run a rap league and I ain't never heard of you. My team thirsty for bodies, we need coffins. My team thirsty for bodies, we need targets. All we do is put holes in the ground like weed gardeners. You a simple lane, a clean target. Just a funny white boy with jokes, you Steve Martin. Teddy MC's awesome. Who gonna get the last laugh?
Get that shit poppin', man. Crank up.
Come on.
Teddy MC's awesome. Who gonna get the last laugh? If I pop, he gonna get pilled. That's a Xanax. Chop his body up, ziplocs and glad bags. Or I let that pretty bitch sing at his feet. I'll teach him how to dance. That's Joey Badass. Now here's my impression of Joey's fat ass.
Hey, yo, I'm Joey Koff. Nobody wants to battle me. Not because I'm dope, because I have absolutely no personality. I'm from the streets of Flint, so I ain't got a lot to lose. Plus my rhymes all sound like they were written by Dr. Seuss. All I do is set up and punch like I was building a boxing ring. Make some noise if you think that shit was dope, because that would mean a lot to me. I'll put hands on this man like I was molding pottery. I'm kind of like a lonely pizza, because nobody's topping me. To a T, I swear to God. Yo, chill. Yo. How are you the only nigga from Flint that ain't a nigga from Flint? That shit got me lost, bro. That shit got me lost, bro. But look at his face. He like, did he just call me a nigga? Awesome. No. Real niggas hate you, son. Just because you rap, trap, and dress like a nigga don't make you one. So you had a next little winning streak, but it's reaching its end. I'll put Joey in a box like a season of Friends. Okay? You decide you like the way on that old dotted line, because I know how to rap, I just know how to rhyme. Boom.